Time's not killed when you're having fun.
Ooh. We thought about camping here, but there's word there's a better spot. So we're doing it.
Can you get more view back over there? Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no.
2, 1. Okay. Here's what we bring for food. For Sahali and medicine because she has giardia. Cheese and salami. Sandwiches. Bars that are all melted. Liquid IV for the water bottles. Crackers for a snack. Oreos melted.
They're melted.
Chomp sticks from Trader Joe's.
Or anywhere.
Trader Joe's coffee, very good.
Scandinavian.
Sour knockoff Trader Joe's gummy worms bears that are really good, called Scandinavian Swimmers.
We sure did.
After a long nap and some lunch, we're headed up to the summit. The weather has certainly shifted. Are you hungry? Okay, let's go. Yeah, not yet. Wait. Come here. Ready? I'll go.